Okay, so you finished. Now you've got to make sure that you plug your data into the form that was listed at the bottom of the lab. And that's I'm going to create a spreadsheet which I'll give to you the next class. And that next class, then you'll figure out your data. But we got to clean up too. Okay, so make sure, of course, that your hot plate is unplugged. Okay, unplug that, turn it off, empty out this water. Actually, this water you probably could keep there because it'll be closer for the next class to get their temperature. Okay. The big thing to clean up, though, is to make sure this is thoroughly cleaned out. And you could actually do this as you go. But this tube is kind of essential to getting cleaned out. Okay, so you just remove this, put it back in your bin. Okay, and you would have had the glucose and yeast mixture in here. It really kind of creates a mess, so you got to clean that out. You know, go over to the sink over here. Okay, so you're gonna just make sure you can go ahead and dump that stuff down the drain, but just make sure you run the water afterwards. Get it kind of all cleaned out. Okay, this has to be completely 100% dry. Okay, so you're gonna need some paper towels. Okay. You need to get some paper towels and just really got to get that, in there, carefully as much as you can. Oh, I neglected to tell you one part. You got this, before you dry, you've got this little brush. Just make sure you really kind of clean that out inside. Okay, just get it in and out there. Okay, dump it out, clean it out. Make sure everything is out. And then make sure it's completely 100% dry. Okay, it's got to be dry. No drops, no condensation, nothing. It's got to be completely dry in there, okay? Be careful. Use a big enough paper towel. Don't pack it in so tight, because sometimes what happens when you're pulling this out, it rips and it leaves some of the paper towel in the bottom. And that's kind of a pain to get out, okay? So that should be it. Make sure, again, you put everything on that form that's on the bottom of the page, and should be good to go.